Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your KEB Hana Bank online banking in South Korea. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to Google and type in KEB Hana Bank online banking South Korea, then click on the first result. Then from here you're going to be taken to this page. Now we need to go ahead and click on the login button, which is near the top of their website here. Now once you've clicked on login, you're going to be redirected to the login page. Okay, so on this page here we can go ahead and view my accounts. So we can go ahead and log in with a digital certificate. So if you go to digital certificate login, click onto that. Or we can click on Digital Certificate Center, click on Settings or Termination in the Digital Certificate Login. Now, be sure to remember your user ID and password as they are required to use the Digital Certificate Center. Or we can log in using ID. So go ahead and put in your ID here and then also your password and click onto line login. If you can't find your account or if you've forgotten it, go ahead and click on Find ID to help with that process and retrieve your ID. Now, both user ID and password and digital certificate logins will be disabled after 5 consecutive wrong password attempts, so keep that in mind.